Hey folks, welcome to another unboxing video. So a little quick backstory to this unboxing really fast is I have a friend, his name is Schaff, and he lives in Colorado, and he's my friend through Facebook, and he's a really cool guy, really down to earth. He's just like, I don't know, I just really like him. He's a good guy. So anyway, he knows that Hot Wheels is like my thing, right? And so he sends me this picture and he says, "Do you have these?" And I looked at it and I said, "No." "Well, I'm going to send them to you." I'm like, "Okay, are you sure? Like, you're all the way in Colorado. I'm all the way up in Canada. That's not a hop, skip, and a jump, you know, in terms of mailing." But he insisted, so here we are. So the package arrived just yesterday, and we're going to open the sucker up. This is one of those paper slash plasticky jobs, so you can't tear it. So we got our old scissors, and in terms of the specific Hot Wheels inside, to be honest, I don't know, because the picture was didn't allow me to zoom in to see the model. So here we go. Let's see what we got. But I know for sure that I don't have. Oh man, there's a whole pile in here. Okay, let's see what we got. So let's pull out one at a time. All right, we got Mattel wheels. Look at this sucker here. Oh, interesting. We'll definitely be doing some close-up shorts on these, but look at that. That's beautiful. And what's really cool too is like it's in American packaging, right? Like in Canada, like our Hot Wheels look a little bit different in terms of the packaging, and our selection is different as well. So, I mean, I don't know how Hot Wheels sets it up via the distribution channels, etc., but there is a variance. So, the fact that I'm getting these in is really cool. So, oh, this one's nice too. This is a '67 Chevy Impala. This one here, that looks good. I like that. And then let's see, we got we got a card. So I think one came out, and we got this sucker here. This guy's loose. Creature Screecher. Well, you know me and monsters, right? So this is cool. I like this. Thanks, Dana. And then let's see, we got a 8 crate, it says. So this is an interesting model. Look at that. So that's really cool. And then let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, 17 Lamborghini Urus. I didn't know Lamborghinis looked this way. I always thought they were the slick sports car style, but look at this. This is more like a everyman style. So that's an interesting take on it. I like that. And here's the last one. We got, this one's another Mattel thing, and this is another one of those like badass cars. If you remember my Bone Shaker video, this reminds me of that. So this was cool too. So yeah, again, we're gonna do some close-ups and shorts and whatnot on this, but here we go. We got, let's see if I can pick this all up at once. We got a whole pile of Hot Wheels in from my good friend Dana in Colorado, and thank you, Dana. I appreciate it, and yeah, God bless you, much appreciated. And as for you, dear viewer, thanks for tuning in. Of course, the usual, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and all the rest. And yeah, join the world of Hot Wheels, help spread the word. And we'll see you on the next unboxing video. Cheers.